Hi, I'm John from ITBEBE. Today, we unbox the gold-plated RJ45, cat5, and cat6 connectors. Purchasing Ethernet cables can be expensive, and not all pre-made lengths are suitable for your needs. RJ45 gold-plated connectors by ITBEBE lets you quickly and easily create 5, 5E, 6 cables in your preferred lengths. The only difference between the RJ45 cat5 and cat6 is compatibility. The cat5 is ideal for all cat3, 5, and 5E compliant networks, while RJ45 cat6 is more suitable for cat6 compliant networks. This product is gold-plated, which leads for better data transmitting and higher signal strength. Unlike others in the market, these connectors are 3-prong instead of 2, making them better cable conductors. They work with virtually every model of RJ45 crimper tool and 24 AWG cable. Wires are efficiently inserted through the connector and out the front, and because they reduce the distance between wire twists and contacts, electrical performance is enhanced. Save time and money by speeding up terminations and reducing scraps and waste. Our transparent, gold-plated one-piece easy design allows you to easily identify wire sequence and makes color-coded wire verification a breeze. At ITBEBE, we insist on the highest quality materials and manufacturing processes. Choose between RJ45 cat5 and cat6. Each come in either 50 pieces or 100 pieces per bottle. And if you aren't completely satisfied with the quality of our product, we are offering you a 90-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked.